Nothing.
Okay. So let's start then. Can you describe your locality, where do you live?
Okay, I am presently in Bhubaneswar and I stay near Old Town. That is a very, um, what do you say? It's not a posh area. It has middle class people living over here. That's all.
What do you think in your area? Uh, People's general perspective about physical exercise.
We actually have a lot of parks over here, so people prefer going to parks, doing exercise over there. But then, when we compare between men and women, women are usually a little bit uncomfortable going to a public place and doing exercises or running. So, I think gym is a very good place where women could be free and do exercise over there. But then at the same time, it's not that cost effective at times. Depends on the
Okay.
gym. Hmm.
Uh, so Most of them aware of the benefits of staying fit and staying healthy. So
If I talk about women, those who are below 30, they know. But then when I talk about women who are more than 30, they are so much indulged in their household work that they forget about their health.
basically
And
they unable to take time out for these things.
yes, yes.
So that's one reason maybe. What are other reasons do you think that people, despite knowing the benefits of staying healthy and staying fit, they still don't exercise?
One is the time, and what else? Time is the only factor that would stop them doing exercises. And apart from that, maybe they are not aware of the good things about exercise. That
Like,
what benefits can they get from exercise?
okay,
So they
so
don't do. Huh.
yeah, when did you last exercise? And
Are you talking about me?
yeah, yeah, when did you
Today in the morning.
Oh, you do exercise regularly.
Yes, but then when my office work hours are a little bit hectic, some days I don't. But I always try to have at least 15 to 20 minutes a day
So,
minimum.
what is the uh, maximum time when you skip doing exercise? Uh, what What are the reasons?
Okay, like I'm talking about my thing. So every month I get my periods. So those 5 to 6 days I don't prefer doing exercises. Apart from that, if I'm busy with my office works, I don't do. And sometimes when I work late at night, I don't wake up in the morning. I do exercises only in the morning. I don't like doing it in the evening. So I wake up late. I don't do the exercise. That's all.
Okay. You said about there are many parks, and do you have any other facilities sufficiently, like a gym or other exercise facilities like Zumba centers? I
Okay,
use
near me.
yeah, in your area, in your locality.
Okay, actually, I used to go to a gym before. So in that gym, they provide Zumba classes, aerobic classes. They have physical training thing, and they also have trainers who tell us to do what is required for our body. So, and there are also yoga centers near our house, so you can also go there. But I have not been to a yoga center, but the Zumba classes are good. Aerobic classes are good because I'm a dance lover, so I love doing that over exercises.
Uh, so how do you categorize people that exercise regularly uh, in your area, maybe in general? Uh, how do you categorize them? Like which section of suppose uh, you are doing it for staying healthy, right?
Mhm.
So others may be doing it for their profession.
Okay.
So like that, how do you categorize them?
Okay, so main focus for everyone should be health only. Like if you are fat, that is not a problem, but you should be fit for doing everything. A little bit of chubby or what do you call it, adipose tissue in your body will not make you look bad,
Okay.
but you should be fit. Like if you are walking, you should walk very nicely. If you're jogging, you are able to jog. That is what is needed for everyone. Like I have seen old people going and walking. They take walk because they need peace, like
Yeah.
mental peace. Sitting at home will make them, uh, what do you call it, chid. They feel very irritated
Irritated.
and frustrated, right? So they go to the park, they take fresh air, that makes gives them mental peace, right? And exercise is the only way you can get me time. Like our mothers, they do so much of work for us, for our father, then their parents,
Yeah.
everybody. So they need a little bit
Everybody
of
do for others only.
everybody else. They don't do anything for themselves. So this is the only thing they can gift to themselves. And apart from that, obviously everybody loves good body. So that is also a point.
So
That's all. Mm.
among these categories, which category people do you think are less likely to do exercise, or they feel less motivated to do it?
Mm. Mothers.
Housewives.
Yes, housewives.
Okay.
Because they are so much indulged into housework and their kids. They don't think about themselves.
What about you? What is your biggest motivation?
Okay, so my biggest motivation is I have a like so many dresses in my wardrobe, but I'm not able to fit into those.
Okay.
So that is the main thing.
I also know that feeling. Like before Corona, this pandemic, I was a little healthy. So
Yes,
now when
exactly.
I came to college, like every dress, I have to try two, three dresses before wearing it.
Exactly. So that is one point. And then I have also noticed that my stamina is getting lower and lower day by day. Like earlier, yeah, I used to walk 5 kilometers very nicely, but now after 2 kilometers, I'm getting restless. That means my body is not of my age. Like I'm 25, so I'm not behaving like I'm 25. I'm behaving like I'm 50.
Yeah.
So
So,
that is one thing. Hmm.
so what are others?
Others are like 2 years back, I went for a trek. So it was a 17 kilometers trek. I could trek the whole thing, but now I doubt. I cannot even walk 2 kilometers.
Yeah,
So you need to have a healthy thing.
you
Huh?
have to compromise on things you like doing because of staying healthy.
Yes, yes, exactly.
So, among your friends, family, and colleagues, there are many who are fitness freaks, and some who decides to exercise, then they're keep procrastinating it. Then
Mhm.
some who doesn't care. So, do you discuss with them about this on this topic?
Uh, you just told me about procrastinating. I am also one. I was one of them. I
Okay.
used to say that I'll do, but I never did. But then I realized that no, it's needed. So then, yes, it's also a point that we discuss among ourselves. That is what motivates us. That array, she lost 2 kgs. I'll also have to do it because I've also gained so much weight. So Yes, that is also motivation. If we talk to each other, we motivate each other. And during lockdown also, I had joined an online workout session. So for 2 to 3 months, I used to do that because we see 10 other people doing exercise and jogging, and after seeing them, you also do the same thing. When you do a group thing, it will motivate us. It motivates us to do.
So that was over like video call session, right?
Yes, yes.
Okay, so that must be a paid one, right?
Yes, it was a paid one. But then I also realized that we could do this among our friends. Like without payment, also we could do. We can switch on a YouTube video. Now we have so many things on YouTube, so we can watch a YouTube video and do it together. That is also possible. So the payment is not the big factor over here. You can do it on your own without paying anything.
Yeah.
So many videos available.
You all these things you said like discussing about using one AC to people. So those are things that you generally discuss with people who exercise. But
Mhm.
what about people who do not? And uh, what kind of conversation do you like? Do you motivate them, or they demotivate you? पैसा
Okay, no.
लगा होता है इस समय like that.
Yes. No, actually, see, if I say them to do exercise, they will never get motivated. But once after I get my results, they look at me and they say that, ah, you're looking beautiful now. How did you do it? So I say, ha, I tried this. You also tried. That will motivate them. So first, I need to be an example for them. Then only they'll follow me. If I don't look good, then why will they get motivated?
So
So only words with words, nobody will get motivated. You have to show the results.
yeah, yeah, yeah. That's a good attitude.
But then I also realized one thing that only exercise will is not effective. It's not effective at all because there was a time when I only used to do exercise, a lot of exercise, but I did not maintain my diet and I did not lose 100 grams. But now I'm doing both. So 80%, it all depends 80% on diet and 20% workout. Workout is not that important, but it is important.
Uh, uh, do you think these technicalities, so, like all people know about these technicalities, like how much calorie to intake and how much to burn? Do you think these things,
No, no.
like you said, we have many resources right now, but do you think
Mhm.
these things are easily
Nobody cares about calories. Nobody cares. And when we buy something, we never read how much calories there inside that food. So maybe they should be advertised somewhere. I don't know. But we never watch videos regarding calories. We never care about what we are eating. And I think Indians are more into spicier thing, and spice is very
spice
very
and sweet?
exactly. So Indian flavors they मतलब हमारी आदत बिगाड़ रहे हैं. Indian flavors.
No.
When we don't eat boiled food, we eat fried food more.
I just heard that.
That's
so
what. See.
do you think there is an easy access to consulting an expert in this field, like nutritionist or fitness trainers? Do you think they are like you are sending one friend request and can help you? It's easy. Or you are searching for a plumber or electric. So that things are quite easily you can contact them. Like, what do you think in your area? These people are easy to find.
No. One first point is they are not easy to find because we don't know. Because I personally don't know anybody who can tell me about these things. Second thing, if also I find it's way too costly. So I will never prefer going to some people, matlab, to a people like to a person like that, because they'll charge a lot. So it's not affordable on my side. Then third, I had gone to a dietitian like many years back. So they always say that don't eat this, don't eat that. Uh, so when you have a good lifestyle, like not good, bad lifestyle, like you're eating so much fried things, so much good and taste things, and suddenly they tell you to shift to a diet that has nothing. It has just boiled eggs, it has boiled vegetable. So nobody will want to do that. They should have a slight, the slope should be this, not this.
Yeah,
So that also demotivates.
even if they try for try doing it for 1 2 days, after that they will give up.
They'll give up. So it should be mixture of both. You can eat fried, but you should have less in quantity. So that type of dietitian is very difficult to find.
So that is your personal experience in dietitian.
Yes.
So,
Hmm.
so people who do not exercise, like if you were given a chance to motivate them, do something that will motivate them. Uh,
Mhm.
it doesn't matter that whether you succeed or not. So don't think about that. Just what are the things that you like to do to motivate them?
Okay. So the first thing is when you eat oily food, you get pimples on your face, right? And you need to look good. So for that you need to decrease the amount of oil, right? So do that. So to get good face, and we have like every job right now needs a good face. So for that you need to have proper diet. Then if I motivate more, I could just now actually I'm not in a state to motivate because I myself I'm not that healthy. So if I have a good body and all, I can show that I have a good body. See, you also want to have this body. I'm also in the process
So
right now.
that is also a thing, right? So in order to motivate, you could keep yourself more healthy.
Right. And one more thing I can say, like when, let me talk about 6 months back, I used to sleep a lot, like 8 hours, 9 hours, because I never exercised. My brain was very inactive. But when I started doing exercise regularly, I felt like and now I can like I just sleep for 6 hours now, and it's enough for my body. So my body is also active. That is also good. The body will be active. Like आलसीपन चला जाता है if you do exercise. Hmm.
So these are the experience you would like to share to my others, so that they
Ah,
can be
motivated. Right.
so. Would you like to add something that might have been missed in the
I
discussion?
can add something. Like my favorite vegetable is potato. I have not eaten potato since a
Mine
month.
too, mine too. like
But I have.
potato bhujia,
Right,
smashed
right.
potato.
Hmm. But I have not had potato since a month. And I have lost 3 kgs in this month only.
Wow.
So avoid potatoes, avoid sugar, eat jaggery
Ah.
instead of sugar. And actually, people also say to avoid salt, but that is not possible on my side. And and also, I'm a tea lover. So I used to take 4 cups of tea earlier, but now I have reduced it to either two sometimes and sometimes one cup a day. So
So
try to reduce
with
tea.
tea, you also used to take sugar with it.
Right. So you can have sugar free with tea, but that much sugar is fine. That much sugar is fine. I feel it's okay. You should have all tastes of life. You should not give up everything because जिंदगी एक ही है यार जी लो अच्छे से.
that that's a nice line to end with.
Right.
So
So I will never suggest someone to give up all food. Like all good food, how can you give up? You should have a little bit of taste and a little bit of boiled food on the side. Have salad every day because salad, like you're having lunch, with that you should have salad because it gives you fiber. So पेट भी साफ रहेगा. हाँ,
Okay. Okay. Thank you so much for your time.
thank you.
Thank you.
हाँ, it was great talking to you.